Well, I hope you've all had an okay day. I just wanted to share something with you. Obviously, while we're in lockdown and stuff, some of us are sitting on our sofas a bit more than we normally do. And because of this, and also because of the thing that some of us are not getting into like everyday clothes and sort of staying in sort of slouchy clothes or even staying in their pyjamas, which, you know, whatever, if it works for you, that's fine. But it might make your sofa to start smelling a bit musty. And so something that I do is spray it with dry shampoo. Basically, I use a lot of stuff for things which they're not purposed for. And it works really well. So anyway, dry shampoo. Give it a bit of a... If you do that sort of just before you go to bed, then it's like, it goes a little bit damp, so as it settles. So we're doing that, we're just about to go to bed, so it's just like, ta-da! And then that'll be all nice and fresh in the morning. And it lasts about a couple of weeks. Yeah, so there we go. That's it now, I'm going to bed. No more videos. And I'll do some more videos next week. Okay, goodbye. Oh, by the way, I wanted to say, for those people, I've noticed some of my old subscribers are unsubscribing. Just because I'm better doesn't mean that the videos that I now make won't benefit you. There's so much that will still benefit, just so much. So do stay, like, unsubscribe by all means, but do keep watching the videos because they will help. Okay, lots of love. Bye bye.